When you're out in the market, things look good, but to make a deal, gotta be understood. Let's trade. Ask the right way, make it flow. When I see something nice, what do I say? A yayo, a yayo. How much is it? A yayo, a yayo. How much is it? When I wanna buy, I say Sagio, Sagio, Sagio. I'll buy it. When I wanna sell, I say Hagio, Hagio, Hagio. I'll sell it. Let's learn the basics. Trading is fun. In Korean, let's say one by one. Yayo, yayo. How much is it? Yayo, yayo. How much is it? Let's trade. In the market game, it's too expensive, that's my line. Nurmu bisayo, nurmu bisayo, nurmu bisayo. It's too expensive. And tell me